Have you ever wondered why your UI flickers whenever you're trying to fetch instant data from your local storage or user-defined theme settings? Well, when you use a useState hook with a useEffect hook, the component renders twice. The first one being when the useState hook gets, or rather sets, the default value, and the useEffect hook gets the supposed value. What if I told you that there's a better way to do that? Well, the useState hook accepts an initial state parameter, which can be of two types, either the default value or a callback that sets the default value. In this case, all you have to do is take the code block that sets the supposed value for your state and pass it as a parameter to your useState hook. This way, your component renders the data it needs at a go. But what if you're trying to fetch data asynchronously from an API? Well, your best bet is to have a loading state and then render the loading state initially. Then in your useEffect hook, you fetch data from the API and update your UI accordingly. Either way you choose to go is fine, but my recommended approach is to use a useState hook, the useEffect hook, and maybe a loading state for asynchronous operations like fetching data from an API, and then a useState hook with a callback passed as a parameter for synchronous operations like fetching data from local storage.